Today we are going to learn one government scheme. Already we saw one government scheme about Karma Yogi. The year is one more government scheme. We will study detail about this government scheme. Startup India Seed Fund. What is about Startup India Seed Fund and what are the useful of about this scheme and who is the eligible of this scheme and which ministry under this scheme will come. We will study detail about this scheme. Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. The Startup India Seed Fund Scheme attempts to help startup with proof of concept, prototype development, products trials, market entry, and commercialization. The main thing to attempt to help the startups. The clearance of Startup Seed Fund Scheme was officially announced by the Indian government. When it announced means the February 5th of 2021. Now it has to be approved for the 4 years period and will go into effect April 1 to 2021. It is approved again extended to the 4 years. Next concept is about we will study detail of Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. The fund aims to provide financial assistance to the startup. Here you have to be remember the aim to providing funds to the financial assistance to the startups for proof of concepts, prototypes, developments, products, trials, market entry and commercialization. 945 crore surplus will be divided over the next 4 years for providing seed funding to eligible startups through eligible incubator across the India. Here you have to see 945 crore surplus will be divided over next 4 years. This 945 crores divided to the next 4 years for providing seed funding to eligible startup through the eligible incubating across the India. The scheme is expected to support an estimated of 3,600 startups through 300 incubators. You have to remember here the scheme is estimated to help the 3,600 startups. The nodal department here is Department of Promotion and Industry and Internal Trade. These are the nodal departments of the Startup Fund Scheme. Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. What is seed funding? What is meant by seed funding? We'll see. Seed funding, often known as a seed stage capital, is a small investment. Seed funding is known as seed stage capital is a small investment. In most cases, investors receive an equity stake in the return for their money. It is known as a bootstrapping when the founders spend their own money to establish a business. Here you have to understand, in the most cases, investors receive an equity stake in the return of their money. In the bootstrapping, when the founders spend their own money to establish their business for the seed fundings. What is the need for startup seed funding scheme in India? Why it's needed in India? In the seed and the proof of the concept development stages, the India startup ecosystem suffers from a lack of finance. Here you have to see in a seed and a proof of concept development stages in India, startup ecosystem suffer from a lack of finance. Here suffering from the lack of finance, this scheme is providing for the financial facility to the startups. For business with good company concept, the funding necessary at this point might be a make or break issues. Here is a make or break issues. Many great business concepts fail to take off because lack the necessary money at an early stage. You have to see here the many business concepts fail to take off because they are lacking necessary of money at the early stages. If such a promising proposal gets a granted seed capital, here you have to understand the its need for startup seed funding means the business concept it's failed to take off when a lack of money necessary occurs means in that time if such a promising proposals gets the granted seed capital, this scheme will help for them to provide the startup seed funding. In this scheme, who are eligible you have to be checked. This is important. Who and all get this startup seed funding scheme and who are the beneficiaries. The following are the requirements for the startup to apply for the Startup India Seed Fund scheme. The below you have to mention here the who are the eligible means the following requirements they are to needed. First, what the requirement needed means the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade must approve the startup. Here, they are going to apply to the startup scheme. Before that, the Department of Promotion and Industry Internal Trade must approve the startup. It must have been founded within 2 years at the time of application. Here they are to mention the time period of within 2 years of their application. Startups developing new solution in areas such as social impact and waste management will be given priority. In the startup, they are developing new solution in the areas such as social impact and the waste management. These are the criteria to eligible for the Startup India Seed Fund scheme. These are the condition to eligible to apply the Startup India Seed Fund scheme. Next is what is the Experts Advisory Committee under the Startup India Seed Fund scheme? What are the Experts Advisory Committee? DPIIT will appoint an Expert Advisory Committee to oversees the Startup India Seed Fund scheme overall execution and monitoring. Here, Expert Advisory Committee will access and choose incubators for seed fund allotment, monitor progress and take all necessary steps to ensure that monies are used efficiently. Here, this one who are the expert advisory committee appointed by the DPIIT, Expert Advisory Committee appointed by the DPIIT. Under this, the Expert Advisory Committee will assess and choose the incubator to seed fund allotment. The member from different departments shall be appointed in the Expert Advisory Committee, which comprises here. The first one is a chairman and financial advisor, and DPIIT are is a representative, an additional secretary, joint secretary, direct deputy secretary, DPIIT, one representative each firm, Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Indian Council of Agriculture Research and Niti Aayog. These are the come under the Expert Advisory Committee. At least 3 expert members from the startup ecosystem, investors, experts in R&D, technology development and the commercialization, entrepreneurship and other relevant field nominated by the Secretary of DPIIT. This is about Startup India seed funding scheme. We saw in this who all are eligible and how they will helping for financially and like what is the aim of this scheme. We saw some basic information about this scheme. Thank you for watching. Start from basic, learn until death, keep learning.